Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Psychological Investor, where wealth generation is simplified. My name is Ashish Tugnani. I am a chartered accountant by profession, having about 10 years of experience in this field. With the help and support of my family and friends, I have created this channel with the purpose to help and guide you to generate abundance of wealth for you and your family. In this video, I'll be showing you what you could expect from this channel, and after this, I will be posting videos at regular intervals that will help you to start the journey on wealth creation. Now let's get started. On this channel, we'll be covering mainly two topics. One, investment. Second, trading. About investments. First, if you observe, I've used the word wise before the word investments. Why I have done that? Let me explain you with an example. Let's say there's Mr. A who earns about rupees 1 lakh per month as part of his salary. Now, Mr. A is aware that he needs to allocate some part of his salary amount for his investments. But the problem of Mr. A is he doesn't know where to invest. So he approaches his friend. His friend advises him to either invest in a stock called ABC or invest in a mutual fund called XYZ. Mr. A decides to invest in a mutual fund called XYZ basis the advice of his friend. Now, do you think the investment of Mr. A is a wise investment? The answer is no. Why? He doesn't know about the product. He solely relies on the advices of his friend. He doesn't know what is the importance of his investment, what is the objective of his investment. He doesn't know what is the rate of return of his investment. He doesn't know what is the risk of his investment. This is why I said the investments of Mr. A is not a wise investment. Now this channel will help solve the problems of people like Mr. A and show how you can invest, but more importantly, how you can make wise investments. Moving on to the importance of investment. Again, let me explain you with an example. Let's say there's Mr. B who earns about rupees 1 lakh per month as part of his salary. But the problem of Mr. B is he's not aware about the importance of investment. Now again, this channel will show, or rather will explain, the importance of investment and show how people like Mr. A can cultivate the habit of investments. Moving on to the simple techniques. Again, let me explain you with an example. Let's say there's Mr. C who earns about rupees 1 lakh per month as part of his salary. Now, Mr. C is aware that he needs to allocate some part of his money for his investment. But he fears that if he does that, it could compromise his lifestyle, like going out with his friends, going out for parties, going out for a holiday, buying like his car, buying a new car, etc. etc. Now, this channel will show how with simple techniques you can cultivate the habit of investment without hampering your lifestyle by much. In fact, this channel will show how you can improve your lifestyle from time to time. With investments, for sure this channel will show you how you can generate abundance of wealth for you and your family. But also, we will show you how you can financially secure yourself and your family in case of unforeseen events. Now let's say we have covered the above three topics on this channel and you have understood the importance of investment, how with simple techniques you can adapt the investment, how you can financially secure yourself and your family. But now the question will be by you is, Ashish, all this I have understood, but can you show me how in practical life or how you can implement this? So again, this channel will show you, or rather give you stepwise approach to build a wealth. Moving on to the magic of SIP. First, people who don't know what is SIP, this channel will explain you what is an SIP, the importance of SIP. And for the people who know already what is an SIP, we'll show you with real calculations why it is important to start an SIP early in your career, and then what wonders it will do to your portfolio with some simple basic norms if you follow. Along with showing you the investments, how you can invest in stock market or mutual funds, we will also cover other financial instruments which will give you an opportunity for you to invest and diversify your portfolio. Let's move on to trading. Why am I calling it a smart trading? Because this channel will show you how you can learn stock market trading with simple and smart techniques. This will be helpful even for the people who are not from the finance background. Now, lot of existing stock market traders lose a lot of money because they focus more on the technical strategies than psychology. But this channel will show you why psychology part is more important than technical strategies. And then you will see how you can transform huge losses that you have already incurred into profits. With simple trading methods, you can generate immense passive income for you and your family, and obviously, you can improve your lifestyle with this passive income. For the people who want this stock market trading to be a mainstream business, again, this channel will help you on the same. Like I said, I have about 10 years of experience in the stock market trading, and I learn every day with simple tips and tricks that I will give you, which will help you to learn faster and avoid the mistakes what I did in the early in my career. This channel will show you few technical strategies that are easy to understand and are simple, even for the people who think stock market trading is complex. This channel is not only for the existing stock market traders, but also people who want to learn and start stock market trading for the first time. I hope I was able to explain what you could expect from this channel. Like I said before, I'll be posting videos at regular intervals that will help you to generate abundance of wealth for you and your family. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.